Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bhulox Mathematics. Today we discussing about some types of integration. Let us come and start the topic. Type. Write down type 1. Integration of cosec to the power n x dx. Integration of cosec to the power n x dx, where n is even natural number, then in this case always put cot x is equal to t. You have to remember, this is one very important type in integration. Integration of cosec to the power nx dx, where n is even natural number, then always put cot x is equal to t. So let us take one example. Write down one example. Integration of cosec to the power 6x dx. Okay, so you have to break cosec to the power 6x as cosec to the power 4x into cosec square x, because the cosec square x will be eliminated by putting cot x, whose derivative is there. So write down, here it is cosec to the power 4x into cosec square x dx. Now we have to divide this as cosec square x whole square into cosec square x dx. We know that cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. Cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So in place of cosec square x, we have to put 1 plus cot square x. So write down, in place of cosec square x, we have to put 1 plus cot square x whole square into cosec square x dx. Now we have to put cot x is equal to t. Write down, cot x is equal to t. Once you take, means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So we get dt by dx is equal to d dx of cot x. So derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. So dx multiplied there, dt is equal to minus cosec square x into dx. Okay, so now it will be changed. In place of cosec square x dx, we have to put minus dt. In place of cot x, we have to put t. So write down, the integral becomes integration of 1 plus t square whole square into minus dt. Now we have to put a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus is a constant that will be coming outside of the integration. So it will becomes minus 1 plus t to the power 4th plus 2t square whole into dt. Okay, now this can be written as integration of dt. So here it is integration of dt plus integration of t to the power 4 dt plus 2 is constant that will be coming outside of the integration, that is t square dt. So we know that integration of dt is equal to t. Write down minus plus t. Here it is t to the power 5 by 5 plus 2 pq by 3 plus c. So now in place of t we have to put cot x. So write down in place of t we have to put cot x. So the result will becomes minus, it is cot x, it is cot to the power 5x divided by 5 plus 2 by 3 cot q x plus c, where c is the integration constant. Okay, so this is the answer. Integration of cosec to the power 6x dx, where this is even number. Always you have to put cot x is equal to t, and the result will be coming as minus whole into cot x plus cot to the power 5x divided by 5 plus 2 by 3 cot to the power 3x plus c. Okay, so now let us take another type. Write down another type. Integration of sin alpha x into cos beta x dx. This is one type. Write down one type. Type 2. Sin alpha x into cos beta x dx, where alpha and beta are two constant. How can you integrate this type of problem? So we know that one formula in trigonometry, 2 sin alpha into cos beta. The formula is sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. You remember, this is one formula in trigonometry. 2 sin alpha into cos beta is equal to sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. But here we see here 2 is here, but here it is not 2. So you have to multiplying and dividing 2. So we get 1 by 2 integration of 2 sin alpha x into cos beta x dx. Okay, so now you think it is alpha and you think it is beta, so this can be replaced as sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta. So applying that formula we get half integration of sin alpha x plus beta x plus sin alpha x minus beta x whole into dx. Okay, now we have to integrate the f of x. 1 by 2 integration of sin alpha plus beta into x dx plus integration of sin alpha minus beta of x into dx. Okay, so we know that integration of sin ax dx is equal to minus 1 by a cos ax plus c. The coefficient of x is divided there, where a is constant. But you see here, the coefficient of x is alpha plus beta. which is a constant. Then integration of sine alpha plus beta whole into x dx will becomes minus 1 by alpha plus beta into sine alpha plus beta into x. Here you see the coefficient of x is alpha minus beta. Then the integration will becomes minus 1 by alpha minus beta sine it is cos cos alpha plus beta into x. Here it is also minus 1 by alpha minus beta cos alpha minus beta into x plus c. Okay, you see here the coefficient of x is alpha plus beta, then the integration will be minus 1 by alpha plus beta cos alpha plus beta into x minus 1 by alpha minus beta cos alpha minus beta into x plus c. Okay, the integration of sine ax dx is equal to minus 1 by a cos ax. The coefficient of x will be divided there. So the result will be coming as like this. So let us take one example. So write down one example of this type. Write down example. Integration of sine 5x cos 3x dx. You see here sine 5x cos 3x. Question will be coming like this. So you think this is alpha and you think this is beta. So here 2 sine alpha into cos beta, that is sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta. But here we have to multiply and dividing 2. So we get 2 sine 5x cos 3x into dx. Okay, so 2 sine alpha into cos beta. So there is one formula there. So we get 1 by 2. Here it is sine alpha plus beta means 5x plus 3x plus sine 5x minus 3x whole into dx integration. So we get 5x plus 3x, that is 8x. 5x minus 3x, that is 2x. So you have to write down we have to write half integration of sine 8x dx plus integration of sine 2x dx. Okay, so here the coefficient of x is 8, so that will be divided there. Coefficient of x is 2 here, so that will be divided there. So what is the integration of sine 8x? So that is minus 1 by 8 cos 8x. So integration of sine 2x dx, that is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c. This is the answer of this question. Sine 5x cos 3x integration is equal to minus 1 by 8 cos 3x minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c whole multiplied by 1 by 2. So let us take another type. Write down type number 2. Integration of type 2 cos alpha x cos beta x dx. So we know that One formula is there for integration. 2 cos alpha into cos beta. 2 cos alpha into cos beta. The result is cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta. That is one formula in trigonometry. But here we see 1 by 2 is multiplied and 2 is divided. So we get 1 by 2 integration of 2 cos alpha x into cos beta x dx. Okay, so now applying the formula. Here in place of alpha it is alpha x, in place of beta that is beta x. So applying that formula, cos alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta. So we get 1 by 2 integration of cos alpha plus beta into x plus cos alpha minus beta into x whole into dx. Okay, so now we know that integration of cos ax dx is equal to 1 by a sin ax plus c. The coefficient of x divided here. So this is the formula. Integration of cos ax dx 1 by a sin ax plus c. Here it is, the coefficient of x is alpha plus beta. Here the coefficient of x is alpha minus beta. So that will be divided. So we get 1 by 2 integration of 1 by alpha plus beta sin alpha plus beta of x plus 1 by alpha minus beta sin alpha minus beta into x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, so one example we have to work out. Write down one example. Integration of cos 7x into cos 3x dx. Question will be coming like this. Integration of cos 7x into cos 3x. So now you have to multiply and divide in 2. We get 1 by 2 cos 7x into cos 3x dx. Okay, so 2 cos alpha into cos beta. Formula will be cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta. So we get, write out, so we get 1 by 2 cos alpha plus beta 7x plus 3x plus cos 7x minus 3x whole into dx. So integration of sum is equal to sum of their integration. We get 1 by 2 integration of 7x plus 3x. The result will be cos 10x dx. So integration of cos 7x minus 3x, that will be cos 4x dx. So here you see the coefficient of x is 10. So that will be divided there. So we get 1 by 2 integration of cos 10x dx is equal to 1 by 10 sin 10x plus integration of cos 4x is 1 by 4 sin 4x plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. Integration of cos 7x cos 3x dx. The result will be 1 by 2 whole into 1 by 10 sin 10x plus 1 by 4 sin 4x plus c. 1 by 2 will multiply. So we get 1 by 20 sin 10x. Here it is 1 by 8 sin 4x plus c. Okay? This is all about today's class. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please share it, subscribe it and like it. Thank you to all.